Yeah, Californian days. We're at Las Aves getting some dinner for me and my wife. This is my tripas burrito. The special, the Allen Nolan. Tripas burrito and nachos a pollo. Las Aves in Chowchilla. This is my favorite Mexican spot in my hometown, Chowchilla. I get the tripas burrito, bien cocida, they're crispy, and then dorado, serrano, and onions. YouTube. See. Is that regular? Beans on regular? Yeah, okay, yeah. There's the chicken. Everything total, no jalapeno, no onions. No spicy. Nacho cheese? The nacho cheese or no? Oh, shredded. Can you a poquito shredded cheese?
Shredded cheese?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, fresh. Yeah, see my wife. Oh no, nacho cheese. Oh, sorry, Fedito.
Is that great, right?
See? Yeah, sorry, baby. Fedito, it's already made. Tomatoes?
Tomatoes?
Yeah, tomatoes. Yeah. See? Extra crispy. Extra crispy. Sí, two. ¡Ay! ¡Oh!
Le gusta que lo agarren.
Hey, every time.
Esta es una minalga.
Jesus.
Es una minalga, ¿no sabía? No te pongas celoso, estás celoso.
Hey, today I go to the shop. I knock on the door.
No.
I go, no shop.
Mi muchacha, de daughter.
Daughter? This is my amigo Jose. YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
José Mendoza.
Jose Mendoza.
No.
Jose Mendoza Garcia Jr. the third. Tres.
¿Cómo aguanta este hombre aquí? ¿Cómo lo aguanta?
Mwah, my baby.
¿Sí o no? Te digo.
No, pues ahí está ya.
Hey, every time I'm here, he come, huh? Every time.
What happened?
Jesus knows. Jesus. He loves us. We're brothers.
Hey, no que Trump.
Donald Trump's good.
No.
Yeah.
Mucho problema.
No. You're listening to the wrong news. The wrong news.
Don Pedro ya se agarran de Trump y la chingada y se pelean ahí.
Man, every time I come here, he pops up behind me. That's crazy. My best friend. My best Mexican friend right here.
¿Es tu amigo?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo lo vi.
Poquito más, trabajo de truque, September, no más, lo loco.
¿Dónde vive? ¿En Texas? ¿Texas?
Yeah, everywhere. North Carolina, Texas,
No, yo
Kansas,
Yo
Missouri.
voy a friend cuando de Texas, México.
Everywhere. Everywhere. Me, everywhere. My YouTube, everywhere. I just came from, last night, I came from Yuma, Arizona, Phoenix.
Hey, you got your car?
Yeah, my car. You see my car? Yeah. Every time.
Todo el tiempo, como vaya. Ya anda siguiendo.
It's Jesus. He wants us to be brothers, a family, familia. Y'all come down to Las Aves, Chowchilla. You won't be disappointed. It's mucho bueno comida. And go to Mendoza Auto. Go see my mechanic.
Yeah.
My
No
mechanic.
electric. Hey, Lola.
Sí,
Hola.
sí.
Lola.
Yeah.
My car no is broken. You. The Cherokee. The Jeep. Nothing on yet.
Hey. Hey.
No, que poco conocen a Lola. No.
Copero. Hey, Alan.
Yeah.
Say hello. Alan here. He loves you. He's Donald Trump.
Yeah. No.
You know.
Donald Trump fucking.
Susana, ¿sí le dijiste lo que lleva, super taco y todo? ¿Y si lo quiere todo? Okay.
Paquito crispy, the tortilla. Yeah, it's good. Mucho bueno. Órale pues. Oh, man. It's grande burrito. Sí. Oh, dorado. My serrano and onions. Oh, fried? Fried? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Let me see. Oh, Serrano?
Ajá.
Órale, pues.
Spicy.
¿Serrano o jalapeño? Serrano.
Es serrano.
Yeah, sí, bueno. ¿Uno más, Serrano? ¿Uno más?
¿Uno más?
Yeah, Serrano. Oh, shit. Uno más, Serrano. ¡Caliente culo! Las Aves, baby.
Ahí está, ¿eh?
Hey, good business is better, yeah?
Yeah.
See? I pray for you, please.
Yeah.
God, Jesus, it's good food, man. Good food. My amigo.
Okay, no.
Hey, my amigo. I love you.
Yo los baños.
Los baños.
¿Yo los baños yo? ¿O Chowchilla?
Yeah, Chowchilla. No, tonight I go to Stockton. Tomorrow I come back, the truck gate Fresno, but I come back 3 days here. 3 days here, home. Home time. Break.
You give them the shot.
Break. Yeah, I'll come by the shop.
Okay.
I will come by the shop.
Okay, no.
I will come by the shop. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit, man. It's good. It's okay. You come in again, man, right behind me. All the time. See, Jesus wants us to hang out a little bit.
No, dio mucho money. Mucho work.
Nah, poquito money. Maybe I get 20, maybe 2,000 to 2,500 every 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So 4,000 to 5,000 a month.
You wife mucho money?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah.
Me? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, just keep working, man. Working, pay the bills. Pay the bills, pay the bills. You know? The car, the house, a trailer, water, power, phone, insurance, auto insurance.
Mi país por buen día. Por buen día. Quiero que no bloqueen.
Yeah, you know, me driving truck, no comment, Walmart, cooking, the truck cooking, no restaurant, nothing.
Mucho money.
I come here, I come home, a la casa, today, in and out, hamburger.
What would you order? What'd you order?
The chicken nachos and then Tripa's burrito. Extra meat. The burrito extra meat, yeah. Tripas. Yeah, tripas. Oh, salsa. Crunchy, yeah. Bien cocida. And then dorado. See, and then serrano onion. Dorado. Maybe teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki. Oh man. Here, teriyaki or no? Look at salsa. Dos green, dos norte.
You know the
So it was 3 pork burrito and chicken nachos, right?
What's that?
It was like 3 pork burrito and chicken nachos?
Yes.
Okay, and then what was that? Okay.
I need to get my phone for the bank. It's good to see you, my friend. Yeah. YouTube.
Mucho money?
No, nothing. Okay, amigos. Muchas gracias. Yeah, Las Aves. Ándale, Las Aves.
Nos vemos luego.
How do you say come to Las Aves? How do you say come to Las Aves? Bagel. What's that one? Viva Mexico. Viva Las Aves. Yeah, viva Las Aves, sí. Okay, gracias, amigo. Comida. Thank you, my friends. Thank you, my friends. Thank you, my friends.
Okay, Nolan. Dios que cuide, Nolan.